Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2016 Range Rover Evoque. From any screen, you see here the little arrow in the circle. You can either press that. If you go to home, you've got the sat nav there. If I click on there, sat nav comes up. Alternatively, if I click on there, again the sat nav comes up. And you've got destination entry. So destination entry, we want postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR5. The Range Rover system, even though it's got 2 digits, you don't need to put a dash in. Some you do, or a space. So it's PR54EA. That's it. We click OK. And then we click Go.
Please follow the highlighted route.
That's it. It's as simple as that. And another good thing with this system is once you get near enough home and you don't want it giving you instructions anymore, it's a lot simpler than other systems to knock the voice off. All you have to do, go to the home screen, and you see there's a checkered flag with a red line through it. We click on that. Guidance cancelled. That's it. Dead easy, dead simple. Range Rover, perfect. Everything about them.